stand by for some pretty serious journalism. Now, the Renault Twizy might have a 560 horsepower deficit to the AMG GTR, but it has a top speed of 50 miles an hour. That can only go 38 in reverse.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, it's a poor start, but I'm not going to panic. I know this is a game of patience. He can only do 38, and I'm already up to 35, 36, 37. Right, now we're doing the same speed. Now I'm reeling him in. There's the line. Come on, Twizy, he's swerving about a bit. Oh, I might catch him. There he goes. Hey, well done, Charlie, for not crashing in the Mercedes, and well done, Twizy. It's never in doubt, really. I mean, it's a superior machine, what can I say? If you enjoyed that, then click here to watch more of our great drag racing videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.